Okay, today we're just fishing, and we normally just saw a pufferfish. It just swam over there, and there was like a king crab. It's right there, I think. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, that crab is big. Oh, seaweed.
We'll get him.
That is a big crab. Wow. So that pufferfish was literally like, I don't know. It was about like, I can say like 1.5 feet. I'm gonna try to find it. If I can try to spot it in the water. Let's go check out that crab. Where is he?
Right by
Oh, he's over there.
Oh, yeah.
So my mom's fishing. Okay. Oh, she feels something. Oh, the crab got on. The crab got on. Oh, the hook came off, didn't it? Oh, the hook busted off. Oh no.
He had it. We had it.
Oh. I'm gonna try to find that pufferfish. That was like the coolest thing. And that was the only time we have ever seen a pufferfish in this, I don't know, in this marina, I guess you could say. But that pufferfish was like huge. A pufferfish you normally see is only like, I don't know, like about this big. And that thing, like, I don't know, it was like 2.5 feet long. But it looked more than 1.5 feet long. I don't know where it is now. Let's go check out the crab again. Where's that bad boy? I don't see him. Oh. He's probably, is that him? I think that's him. Over there in the distance.
Let me see.
I think that's him.
Wait, it's
Somewhere over there. Oh. It's probably somewhere over there. I think I see it in the distance. But my brother actually spotted that huge crab, and my mom almost caught that. That was just like a dream come true. And as you can say, I was just normally fishing, and then it was my mom's turn. I gave it to her, and then I was just walking along over here, and then I just saw a huge pufferfish, and I don't know if it was a pufferfish or not. It looked like I don't know, like a 1.5 feet long pufferfish. That was like a dream come true. Oh my gosh. A baby crab where?
Yeah, on the rock. Where's the
I don't see it.
It's on.
The big crab, I thought I saw him over there.
He got his feet in that.
Yeah. Cause he probably just bit off the hook and got to me and left. But that pufferfish, it was like so cool. And we never have seen like a real pufferfish in person. But our friends, they live by the marina, right by the bridge by Roy's, the shopping center. There's that eel.
Yeah.
Where's the eel?